Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. If it's the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, share the family. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Who cares? Share. And I like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video we're going to be doing a cool video because I actually is going to be doing a 3-video series for this device, and you guys know how I love skincare. I love skincare devices, so I'm going to be doing a 3-month trial for AOGNY. AOGNY is a radio frequency device. So I'm going to unbox with you guys, show how the box comes, everything comes in the box, and we're going to be trying also on camera. So let's jump into this video so this video don't get so long, and I'm going to have the link for AOGNY down in the description of this video, and if you don't have any discount code too, also it's going to be on the description of this video, so don't forget to check them out and let me know if you ever try radio frequency. If you're not, what you think about it. Alright, so let's do this. Alright guys, so I have the AOGNY machine right here, and I'm gonna unbox with you guys to show you guys everything that comes in the box before we try it. So let's dig into this beautiful box. So this is pretty much how the box comes. Show you a picture of the device. In the back here you have a little bit of instruction how to, in the back here you have a little bit of instruction how to use on your face. Right, and on this side here you have some info about the device, about, you know, voltage and frequency. Alright, so let's just dig into this box. So, and this is AOGNY Anti-Aging Skin Rejuvenating Me Beauty and Body Equipment, and this is a radio frequency device. Very nice. So here is the box. So we're just going to unbox this beauty. When you open, the first thing that you do, you have this here. I believe this is the conductive gel. We're gonna open this, and here you have the device here. I believe this is the handle, and then you have the 2 little attachment head, for the big one for the body and the smaller one for your face. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the machine out of the box, and this is how the machine look like. Super beautiful. So let's move this, take off this plastic. Very beautiful, very nice. And in the back here you have the power outlet, and you have the handle outlet, and you have a on and off button here. So, and of course you have here the user manual that's gonna guide you through how to use your machine, and this you plug in the back, and this is the handle. Very nice, just beautiful, clean, very aesthetic, pleasing. And here you got the power cable. You have the body head attachment. Here you have the facial head attachment. I'm going to take the plastic off because this is going to be the first one that we're going to be using today. You have this warranty card here. You have 12 months guarantee. Alright, so it's in place now. So I have the machine here, so this goes here, the power cable goes down here. Okay, so make sure that your cable is well plugged in, otherwise your device probably is not going to heat it up, so pay attention to that. I'm going to plug this behind me, behind the couch. Alright, so let's open this conducting gel. So here you have the conducting gel here, relief and repair gel. If you don't have these, you can use any other clear gel like aloe gel, clear base gel, you can use it. So one thing that they say is for you to remove your jewelries. In the back here you have the on and off switch, and when you turn it on, the machine actually make a little noise, and it does have like air vent in the back here where you can feel like a little cooling air coming out of, and the machine is on. So if the machine stay on the 0, it's not going to heat it up. So when you add time and your level, that's when the machine actually is going to start heating up. So don't freak out if you turn the machine on and you pick up the handle, it's not heating up. So let's do for the face. They say if you have a good skin, which I consider that I have a good skin for my age. So if you have a good skin, they say you can do one treatment like once a week or once every 2 weeks. And if you have like a very mature skin, one treatment every 2 or every other day or every 3 days or something like that for 10 minutes on your face. So let's put it 10 minutes, right? Can you guys see that? Yes, it's 10 minutes. And they also say recommend for you use it on the level 1 if you're a beginner like me. So I have here on level 1. Let's leave there. After you do the treatment on your face, don't wash your face right away, and you have to wait like 10 minutes so for your face to cool down. So I'm going to apply the gel only on the side that I'm going to work first. And I'm going to start with my left side of my face. Why? I don't know. I just a random pick. So I'm going to do this side and then I go to this side. So what they say is for you go to circular motion, like upwards. So I'm going to start from here. And in the neck area, you're going to treat. Don't use on your throat. Just use like on the sides. So now I'm going to go like this smile line here. And these should help you with sagging skin, with pores, help reduce the pores, help brighten the skin, help with circulation to the area, and that definitely is going to help, you know, boost your collagen, and it's gonna tone your skin, lift. So it's gonna help you with under eye puffiness, darkness, and bags, and with wrinkles, like if you have like the little curl feet wrinkles, it's gonna help you with, which is fabulous. I love the warming sensation. It's just so relaxing. So you can use this treatment just sitting watching TV or watching a movie, and 10 minutes go by so fast when you're not, you know, doing something that you're actually relaxing. And I am looking forward to use that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I actually going to be doing a trial on this. I commit myself to the brand that I'm going to be doing a trial, and I'm going to be using the device for 3 months, and on this 3 months period I'm going to be posting 3 videos for you guys. So this is the first video, the first treatment. And then I'm going to be using, like my skin is in good condition, I definitely going to be using these like once a week. And today, before this treatment, I did take before pictures. So by the end of the month, we're going to see the before and after results. For me, after 1 month, if I do once a week, that's going to be like a 4 treatment. It should be enough, you know. I have a pretty good like skin texture, elasticity, so that should be enough for me to see good results. And we're going to go to that side. And don't worry if you run out of time, you can always turn the machine back on and add more time. Alright, so when the machine finishes, it does make that little noise. So we did with our facial treatment. Love how relaxed it is. So now we're going to change the handle, and then we're going to put the for the head, for the body part, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit how I do on my arms. Alright, so let me change this and I'll be right back with you guys. If you screw the thing in and it's not heating up, what they say for you to do is turn the machine off and on again, and then you try if it is hitting on. If it's not, you contact AOGNY and they will replace your machine for free. You have 12 months guarantee, which is fabulous. And these you can use on your body. It's gonna help you with cellulite, sagging skin, with, they even say stretch mark, which I hope, but you know, I'm a little bit skeptical. Stretch mark is something that's very hard to treat, so toning the skin. So I'm just going to do like this area here for now, and then we go as we go. So first thing, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna put your conducting gel there, and like I say, I like to put my gel for each area as I go, so the gel doesn't dry up. 20 minutes, then I do like a back 10 and top 10. And I'm also gonna keep on level 1 because I'm a beginner, so following the rules. So in this, you do the same thing, just keep moving the handle in circular motion, and that's pretty much it. I do have a purple mark here, that's my dog. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break for my arm to rest, and then I'm going to do a little bit on my legs. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little bit of my other inner thighs. I'm trying to the video don't be so long, so I'm going to have it to cut this really good. But I can fast forward and stuff like that, so. Alright, so we're done. I did both of my legs, I did both of my arms, I did my face, and now I have to do the tummy, but I'm gonna do out of camera. This was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about the device, and keep your eye open for the upcoming next 2 videos from this 3 video series, and I hope we have amazing results. Link for AOGNY is going to be in the description of this video. Alright, and if you don't have any discount code, also it's going to be there. Don't forget to check them out. And if you don't follow me on Instagram and TikTok, links going to be also in the description. Find me there and comment on one of my posts so I can follow you back. Alright, so I'll see you guys next video. Bye!